kind of nervous. Hello, my name is Roberta Dennis, and I have been a custodian at Knox County Schools for 11 years. On the behalf of my fellow custodians, I want to first thank the board and Dr. Roswick for the resolution supporting our rights as employees to speak on issues like our pay and working conditions. Many of my coworkers have been afraid to voice their concerns because they are worried about retaliation, and I hope this resolution will give them confidence to speak up. Today I want to talk about the important matter, the need for a fair and just wage increase for school custodians. We are the backbone of our organization. We work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure a clean and safe and comfortable environment for everyone. It is time to recognize our contributions by providing us with a well-deserved pay increase. Custodians play a vital role in keeping our schools clean and orderly. We keep the schools and offices, the common areas, the classrooms, and other facilities in top-notch conditions. Our efforts allow teachers, staff, and students to focus on teaching and learning without having to worry about cleanliness and hygiene in their surroundings. Despite the crucial nature of this work, it is disheartening to realize that our current pay does not reflect the true value. Many of us face financial hardships as we strive to make ends meet on wages that may not be sufficient to cover the rising cost of living, especially in today's economy. We are hardworking individuals. We take pride in our work and deserve to be rewarded for our commitment to everyone's well-being.
Thank you, Roberta. Thank you.